to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Vandy, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. For all the newbies to the channel, if you don't know, I am a hair and makeup artist based in Austin, Texas. I specialize in natural hair and braiding services, and I also do a whole lot of makeup. So, welcome to the family. Today's video, I'm going to be reviewing a find that I found in my local Target. It was actually at the bottom shelf, and I have no idea why, because it was so beautiful, it caught my eye. But it is this palette by Profusion, and this is the Wanderlust palette. This palette comes with 21 colors. It comes with 8 matte shades and 13 shimmer shades. I'm going to be swatching these on my skin tone so that you can see what they look like. I'll also be walking you through this look I came up with today. So if you want more information on this palette right here, make sure you stay tuned. So we're gonna jump right into the video. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to show you, do a little show and tell of what I found at Target yesterday. This is the Profusion Cosmetics Wanderlust palette. They actually had about 5 or 6 different palettes there, and this is the only one that stood out to me because it had some vibrant colors in there that I could use for the summer. Okay, so this palette has 21 shades all together. There are 8 matte shades and there are 13 shimmer shades. So I'm gonna go ahead and just swatch some of these colors so you can see what it looks like on my skin tone. I'm gonna put a little bit of my foundation. I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible. I'm gonna put a little bit of that on the back of my hand and wrist. That way when I do these swatches, I get a true understanding of how the colors are going to lay on my skin, because I'm not gonna just lay eyeshadow on skin. I'm gonna put something down first. I'm gonna go in with Nostalgia, and that's what it looks like there, and here's what it looks like on my skin. So that's a nice chocolatey brown. Next I'm gonna go in with another matte shade, Enigma. This is like a blue, kind of like a navy blue color. It's showing up a lot brighter on camera, but in the pan it looks nice. That's what Enigma looks like. Another matte shade is this Purple Regal. Go Girl, that is the fancy fuchsia color here at the end of the palette. Alright, so that is what we're working with most of the matte shades. Let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 matte shades. So moving on to the shimmer shades, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to put a little bit of foundation on the back of my hand. I'm going to go in with Majesty. It's a pretty lime green color. This is what it looks like. These shimmer shades, ooh, these are cute. Ooh, wow. These shimmer shades are showing up a lot better than the matte shades. Let's go over to Jade, which is a little bit darker green. That's pretty. It's kind of like a bluish green. Moving on to the bright blue color. This one is called Splash. Ooh, wow. That is bright. Into Nimbus, this is the purple. And that's a pretty color. And then Love Story. Let's do Love Story. That one's supposed to be more of like a rosy red tone. So these shimmers are super pigmented, which is very impressive. So now that we got the swatches out of the way, I'm going to try to make this palette work today on my face and try to do kind of a workable look, because I do have to run out and do errands. I'm gonna try to make it match my new little dress here. So I already have my foundation on and set, eyebrows set, so that all we have to do is jump right into this makeup look. So let's get started. So I'm gonna first, using my BH Cosmetics 101 brush, I'm gonna first go into Statement, and that's what I'm getting by just a couple of taps. There's not a whole lot of fallout on this, so that's a good sign. And I'm gonna use this as my transition color. Just swiping that all over the lid and into my crease area. And that is actually blending out very well. I am impressed. I'm not getting a whole ton of fallout, thank God, because I don't feel like doing my face again. Now, using the crease brush that the palette came with, I'm gonna go into Nostalgia and deepen up my crease a little bit more. This is blending out very well. It's not a whole bunch of skipping, not a whole bunch of spaces. It's blending into the other color very well. I am overjoyed at this point, but we're gonna see when we get to these shimmers. It's nice, girl. $10 at Target. Y'all better watch out. Ulta, Sephora, all of them, Target coming for y'all. They coming. I think I'm gonna have some fun with this. I'm gonna go into the color Stormy. This is actually kind of like a teal greenish blue color. This is a beautiful color. I'm gonna go into Love Story. I'm gonna put that on with my fingers just to see how well this goes on. Now that particular color is a little questionable. It's more glitter than it is pigment. It's going on kind of chunky. So I don't know if these are all the same formula or what, but this ain't working out. And my dogs are barking. Okay, so trying to put this color on with my fingers is a no-go. So I'm gonna try to do the other side with a brush. Yeah, brush works a lot better. A lot of times you can just put shadows on with your fingers, but for some reason, this one needs a brush to blend out properly. It's not like one that you can just kind of stamp on. I'm gonna deepen up that green with Serious. Serious has like green and gold reflex in it. And I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna brighten up the under eye with Splash. Think this will come together once I put the lashes and the liner on? Let's find out. All right, so I have completed my whole face. I got my lashes and I got my liner on. What I ended up doing was I put a little bit of white eyeliner on my waterline, and then I put a little bit more of that blue splash color on that liner just to kind of brighten up my under eye a little bit more. I also went back in and I deepened up the pink on the inner corner by using a little bit of that Go Girl there. I deepened that up and then put a little bit more Love Story on top because it just wasn't giving me enough color payoff. But when I put the two together, it looked, as you can see, it looks good. So what else did I do? I went in with the shade Illusion, this one here in the corner, and I used that as a brow bone highlight, and I finished off the rest of my face, and this is the final look. So final thoughts on the Wanderlust palette by Profusion. I am in shock and awe. This is a damn good buy. Excuse my tone and my language. Damn good buy. You hear me? These shadows are super blendable. They, for the most part, they are pigmented. So if they're showing up on me, girlfriend, they're gonna show up when I put on a white base for sure. A lot of times we don't like the brushes that these palettes come with, but I'm very pleased that they included a crease brush because everybody has a lid brush, honey. I am thrilled with this purchase. I cannot wait to use it some more. There are a lot of vibrant colors in here. I know that there were several other palettes to choose from. They all had different names. I'll link those in the description box below, and I may even go back to Target and pick them up because they just caught my eye, and I'm just so, I just cannot believe they had these on the bottom shelf. They were on the bottom shelf at the Target that I went to, and as bright as they are and as pretty as this palette is, I just couldn't miss it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful for you. I hope you enjoyed the look I came up with today. I am looking pretty vibrant, I must say. I'm about to go get my nails did, so that's pretty much the gist of what my day is going to sum up to. But anyways, yes, I hope you like the look. I will post more pictures of it on Instagram, so don't forget to follow me on social media at Facebook and Instagram at Vandy Vanity. My upload schedule is speeding up, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell so that you don't miss my next upload. As always, thank you so much for coming by, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.